Ano pangalan mo?
Gianna po.
Like the story, you started the story strong. Tama. But as the song progressed, I wish you made different choices on how you wanted to do it. The instrument is there. It just needs time lang.
Pag pinanood mo na to sa TV, nakaganyan ako nagsimulang kumanta. Kasi yung boses mo felt like a warm hug. So inabangan ko kung paano mo siya i-build. Kasi alam ko na may mga parts tong lalaki. So paano mo ngayon i-connect? So yun lang yung hinanap ko kanina. Kasi ang ganda mo na siyang nilatag. Tapos nung biglang lumaki yung song, hindi mo lang na-figure out kung paano ko siya i-connect.
You have a very strong voice.
Yes.
Ang kailangan, as you'll see, as you progress as a singer, as you get older as a woman, your voice is going to learn to be more controlled, and you'll be able to use it as a weapon, in a good way, and you're going to move people. Thank you, Gianna.